We're getting wind gusts of like 130, 150 miles an hour. So it's something that when you step outside, you don't really understand kind of the power of it until you're in it.
After a storm, it's very scary because resources are limited. You don't know how long you're going to be without certain luxuries like gas, food, water, electricity.
They were out there as soon as the storm ended, despite what was going on at home, and I know a bunch of them took damage. They left their families. They went out to make sure that we were going to be okay, that our streets, our bridges, they were good. They were out there 24/7. They were working weekends, doing whatever it took to make sure we were safe.
Our staff has been working around the clock. We've had 3 back-to-back hurricanes in about a month. So, our teams, despite dealing with their own damage to their households and vehicles, they still are showing up for work, reporting out to the field, spread out all over the state in areas that were impacted by the storm, working for our various clients, performing structural inspections, making sure roads and bridges are passable.
After a hurricane, mobility is very, very important. It's refreshing to know that clients depend on us for these critical aspects of disaster inspection and relief. It's critical for us to make sure our communities are safe and we improve lives by working together. Clients, employees, and the community together.